making my cousin, you know, make him say arara. Joke. That is a joke. I'm gonna say it too. First, we're gonna say gambare. Okay, I'll call my brother. I'll call my... Joaquin! Joaquinis! Asher! Come on. Halika. Look in the camera, sit down. Can you say gambare? Okay, lakasan ang hina.
Gambi.
It's so simple.
Gambi. What?
Ito sa akin. This is mine. Okay, let's get... Sure. Kuna gambare. Okay, that is the end of the video.
Nakuha na si Jovan. The baby. Walang...
Did my bro say baby? The heck?
Okay.
I think Dad needs to hear this. I'm telling Pop. Ouch! I broke my fucking legs. I broke my legs now. I can stand. Oh. I'm on church. And I'll try to sound like Gojo today. Are you crying? I cannot fucking do it. If you wanted a voice line, tell me in the comments, please. And I don't have a notebook yet, so if I get a notebook, I'll draw you. Okay, that is a deal. First, we need the piss bomb thingy. Boom,
Just drawing tayo, Just.
Hey, I do not have paper. Hey, what is this guy doing?
Tuturuan kita paano magbagay. Tingnan mo.
I do not have paper, okay? This guy won't understand.
This, guys.
Oh my god, what is he doing, dude? It's like she's a girl, but she's actually a boy, dude. Even though I'm a tomboy, so shut the heck up! Okay, that's the end of the video. Bye, guys.